Rob. This has been really, really fun being able to talk to you about hitting. We get the visuals of your Diamond Club plate from the Brewers behind you there for most home runs this year, and to see Tiger Stadium right behind you from when you were first playing with them. You want to tell us about that before we wrap up?
Yeah, my parent, I grew up in Southern California, and for some reason I thought Muhammad Ali was just the greatest thing that ever happened. Even as a little kid, I loved to watch him fight. I loved his personality and everything about him. I was mesmerized, and I still, I'm very happy to have a signed oil painting of him. And then this is Tiger Stadium, and it actually has one of my two favorite teammates that were in that picture, and it's Alan Trammell and Lou Whitaker. And my folks got it for me. I think when I signed with Detroit, they got it for me for a Christmas gift. So it's sentimental, and it's weird because I look at that picture and I feel like I'm at the ballpark. Like right. The lighting in that picture, everything about it is exact.
Right. People usually get that impression when they look at the Zoom background that I have on too.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, let me. Can I
just wrap it up with Bat Geer if you could? Yeah, that'd be great.
I just want to say one thing. This is mainly to coaches, because a lot of players, especially young players, they'll hit and theoretically we're not supposed to let go till we get our follow through and our hands finish high, then we can release. A lot of kids, a lot of young players, I have to correct, they'll get here on contact and they'll let go of the bat.
Mm-hmm.
Bat Geer totally eliminates that. There's a couple spots, a lot of times on our hands, on the top of our hands rubbing, it causes blisters. I've had to stop lessons and put a Band-Aid on a hand. This totally gets rid of that. And the cool thing about this is Bat Geer takes all the vibration when you miss hit a ball, you get jammed or hit it off the end. Because of the rubber, it acts as the shock absorber. So it takes all that sting out of your hands.
Right. You still feel that you hit the ball that kind of way, like, that you hit it off of the more down towards the handle, but you don't get like, the kind of, jitter effect after it, right?
Yeah.
Getting that feedback's important. How much is the Bat Geer?
$19.
Okay, $19 on batgeer.com. That's where we can get it. And then you ship that, it's shipped to anybody when they order it on the website, right?
Yeah, and then Dave Magadan, Colorado Rockies hitting coach, Robbie Meow, endorsed the back of it. But if you go to the website, it has instructional stuff that I made that'll explain the process and what to do. And put it on your bat and get your hands connected.
Great. Yeah, we're gonna have a post on the uHIT Academy website. We're gonna have a post that's gonna be referencing these links of videos, and there we're also gonna have a link to batgeer.com so that folks can go and see those videos, see some of those how-to videos in terms of incorporating the lessons, so that coaches can use this and players can use this, and even parents who want to get involved, in their, in their child's. And this is for baseball and softball, right? For a child's hitting baseball or softball. Okay.
And it's you can use it in games. I have all the players I have here in Arizona, they won't hit without it.
Right.
Like it's one of those things you have to try it. Once you try it, then slide it up and take a couple swings without it. You won't want to hit without it. It's that.
Right. Okay. All right. Well, that's great. And again, for anybody watching, when you do get the Bat Geer, $19, you send us the receipt at deservo.com, any one of our email addresses, but support@deservo.com is a good place to send it. And we will give you a free month of uHIT custom training. So that's for baseball or softball. So I want to thank you, Rob. It's been great.
Does that go for me too?
What's that?
Does that go for me too? Can I send you a receipt?
Yeah, sure. You know, I'll give you 2 free months though.
All right, I'll take it.
but only if I don't know, that painting behind you looks pretty good. I think I might need that part of the receipt too.
Yeah, you have to, next time you come out to Arizona, let me know. We'll get you in the cage and let you take some swings. I throw
Cool.
great practice.
Cool. That's a deal. That's a deal. All right. Well, thanks, Rob. It's been great having you on the uHIT Academy. Again, everybody, make sure to check out some of our other interviews on the uHIT Academy. We've talked to coaches, softball and baseball. We've talked to professors and you know, how people see. We've talked to a whole range of folks that are here to help you hit better, pick up the tools of seeing the ball better. Check out uHIT Custom Training. You can download uHIT on the App Store, on Google Play. Get started with custom training right away. You will not regret it. Your OPS is going to be going through the roof. We're seeing it in great numbers this year with our Division I, Division II, Division III colleges that are working with it, and all the way down to high school and youth as well. So everybody check out deservo.com/uHIT baseball. Thanks again, Rob, for joining us. Batgeer.com for more.
Thanks for having me.
You bet. And see you guys next time.